Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's session, we will learn English by listening to a story. So just relax, listen carefully.
My name is Susan. Today, I sit in a cafe. Around me, people talk, laugh, drink coffee. But when I look at the tables, I notice something strange. Nobody is really talking. Their eyes are not on each other. Their eyes are on small, glowing screens. I see a couple. They hold hands, but not really. One hand holds the phone. The other hand just rests on the table. They do not look at each other. They scroll, they type, they swipe. Love is waiting, but their phones are louder. I see friends, 4 young girls. They came together, but no voices fill the air. Only the sound of notifications. One girl takes a photo. The others pose. They smile for 1 second, then return to their screens. Their laughter lasts for a picture, not for each other. My heart feels heavy. I remember my childhood. We had no phones, no internet. We had conversations. We looked into each other's eyes. We played outside until the streetlights came on. Life felt real, not like a picture on a screen. Then I think of my own family. Last week at dinner, I sat with my husband and my son. The food was hot, the table was full, but my son's plate stayed untouched. His phone was in his hand. His eyes were not with us. His world was somewhere else. I asked, "Son, can you put the phone away?" He said, "Just one more message." That one more lasted the whole dinner. I asked myself, are we losing each other? Are we losing life? That night, my husband told me a story. He said, "Do you know why silence is heavy in many homes today? Because phones are louder than voices. Screens are closer than hearts." I could not sleep. I thought about this all night. How many mothers eat alone because their children are on their phones? How many fathers try to speak, but their children don't listen? How many friends sit together but feel lonely? The next day, my husband tried something new.
At dinner, he placed a small basket in the middle of the table. He said, "Before we eat, we put our phones here." My son looked shocked. He said, "No, I can't." My husband said, "Yes, you can. Just 1 hour without it." Slowly, my son put his phone inside. The basket was full of silence, full of resistance. But then something happened that we started to talk. Not about big things, just small things. School, work. A funny memory. For the first time in a long time, we laughed together. Not for a photo, not for social media. We laughed for us. When dinner ended, my son said something that surprised me. He said, "Mom, I didn't know food could taste this good when we eat together." My eyes became wet. One small change, one small hour brought us back. And I understood something. The phone is not evil. The screen is not the enemy. But when it becomes your whole world, you lose the real world. You lose love. You lose family. You lose life. So I ask you, how many hours do you give your phone every day? And how many hours do you give your family, your friends, yourself? Time is life. And if we give all our time to the screen, life will pass without us noticing. Tonight, when you eat dinner, try it. Put the phone away. Look at the faces you love. Listen to their voices. Laugh together. You will see the real world is more beautiful than the digital one. Thank you for listening to this story. I hope it touched your heart. But this is not the end. In the next video, we go deeper. You will hear the story of a man who had everything: money, success, respect, but still felt empty inside. Do you know why? Because he forgot the one thing that truly matters. Do you want to know what it is? Then join me in the next video. It might change the way you see your own life. Thank you for watching. So friends, listening to stories is a great way to learn English. Did you enjoy this story? Write your answer in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English stories. See you in the next video.